For our first measurement, we're going to be measuring latitude and longitude on nautical chart number 18700. You can see it's a map of Point Conception to Point Sur. And you can see the map number is down below as well. So for question number 1A, it asks, what is the latitude and longitude of the city of San Luis Obispo? So if we take a look at our map, we find the city of San Luis Obispo right here. So our first measurement will be for latitude, which is going to be on your y-axis or the vertical axis. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a yardstick and we're going to line it up. We're just going to use the center point. And we're going to mark that point on the vertical axis. All right, and you can see that we're between 35 degrees north and 36 degrees north. You can also tell that we're starting at 35 degrees because as we move up, the first number in minutes is 10 minutes. If we had been moving down, you would see that we're at 50 minutes, which meant we would be going less than 35 degrees. So now what we're going to do is we're going to determine the number of minutes. We know that we're at 35 degrees, and if we look at our pen mark, we know that we're somewhere between 10 minutes and 20 minutes. All right, so let's count each tick mark. The alternating black and white rectangles is going to be 1 minute. So we're at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.75 or 3/4 of the way. So you can mark that down as 16.75 minutes, and that will give us our value for latitude. Now we are going to do the same for longitude. So now we're going to line up the meter stick. Again, the center point of San Luis Obispo. And then we're going to line it up with our longitude lines. Again, we're going to be, or this time we're going to be on the x-axis or the horizontal axis. So let's see where we are. That's where we're marked. We don't see degrees here, so let's run across to see where we're at. We're at 121 degrees, but you'll notice that as we move back towards our line, we go down. So that means that we haven't quite gotten to 121 degrees. So we're gonna be at 120 degrees west. We're somewhere between 30 and 40 minutes. All right, so let's do the same thing that we did for latitude, and we're gonna count. We're at 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.5. So that's 39.5 minutes. So to repeat, we're at 120 degrees, 39.5 minutes, and you can record that for number 1A.